Beats by SV.com.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. At the moment I'm kind of feeling like that, who remembers that Chica Bonita commercial, or even the song? Who remembers that? That's what this whole thing is giving me. So as you guys know, I am Empress D. We are doing our glitter series and this is the final one. So I wanted to do something colorful because my first look was purple. My second look was gold with some blue in it. So I really wanted to do something colorful, so I went with the rainbow colors. If you want to see how I have achieved this look, just stay tuned and I will run through it step by step with you as I normally do. But before you do that, remember to like this video, remember to subscribe to my channel, and remember to hit that notification bell. See you in a bit.
Well, them can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it. Let them respect you for spec.
So guys, we're starting off with one eye completed as we normally do, and we are going to, I would normally say replicate this eye over here, but we're doing a rainbow glitter cut crease, so it will be yellow, orange, and then red over here, and then I'll cut the crease with gold and add some glitter, liner, black and white, and then we'll finish off the bottom of the eyes and the face. Okay, we have already done our brows and I am just going to go in and add some P.louise base over here, the white one. This is Rumor 0, just to make our colors pop as they did over here. And we are going to be using our Take Me Back to Brazil palette. At the moment, this is my most colorful palette. I do have the James Charles palette coming on the way and I am excited for that, but for now we are going to be going in with this palette and we are going to be using this yellow, this orange and this red. Right, you guys, so I had to go ghost on you guys because I realized that it was like 5 minutes to 2 and I had to go to the bank, and the bank closed at 2 o'clock. So I literally had to just pop on my lash in the car. I don't know, it looks alright, I guess. But yeah, I basically had to do that, and I had to just apply foundation. I applied primer and my foundation, but I haven't done anything else. I'm just going to do my concealer, contour my face, and apply my setting powder, and then I'll finish my under eye. Right, so we're gonna do our under eyes, and I'm going to show you like this little stub. And before anyone asks what it is, it's the NYX Jumbo Pencil in white. Yes, we have no shame. It is this small now. Every time I go to repurchase it, it's always sold out. So I am just going to go in with my little stub, and I'm gonna do my under eyes. Right, you guys, so I'm just gonna go and finish the rest of my face, dust away my setting powder, apply my blush and my highlights, and I'll be back. This is the final look. It's all completed. So we did the rainbow, we went in with our under eyes, and we did the same colors that we did at the top here, down here. So we did yellow, orange, and red. I don't think it's showing up that great on the camera, but I hope you guys can see. And then on the opposite side, we did the green, blue, and the purple. Okay, so we just went opposite on each eyes, and then the gold, as you saw, and the glitter, the liners. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys try it. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Always remember to subscribe to my channel. Help me grow. We can grow together. And hit that notification bell for every upload that I do. That's it, guys. I'm out.